Hello and welcome to MTD CNC India. Today I am here at Amtex Delhi show and I am in SHARPEDGE stall. And look whom I just met, my friend Tushar from Ecotile. Tushar, what are you doing here?
Hi, Ashutosh. Very nice to see you here. Yeah, so we are here with SHARPEDGE, who are brilliant solution providers in the Delhi NCR region. So we partnered with them. So we're trying to get closer to the customer by having our local presence in this region. So SHARPEDGE, clearly are really good at this. They have a good flow. They've done our floor over here and showcase our products. So that's how we are here.
Great. So good to know that SHARPEDGE is your channel partner in NCR region. And whosoever wants your products, they can contact SHARPEDGE, right?
Surely, yes, yeah. They're very good at being on the customer's end. If you want to, you can contact SharpEdge and they'll be there with you to see what solution they can solve for you.
Very nice.
Go ahead with that, yeah.
This flooring is looking very nice. You have done a really
thank you.
great job.
Thanks so much.
Can you show us
Yeah.
some tile here if you have?
Yeah, let's have a look. So that's Ecotile right there.
Very nice.
So customers can come in and really have a look and feel for the texture, the color, and if they want, they can have the solution from us.
So can you please explain what is the USP of Ecotile? What are the special features so that people will prefer it over the epoxy floor?
Yeah, so I'll introduce once again. Ecotile is a new modular way of doing industrial flooring, and it sets itself apart from the traditional flooring we have in India at the moment. And you can literally just pick up any tiles you want. You can have your own sort of a bundle of tiles and put them in a couple of hours, and you're done with the industrial flooring.
Awesome.
That's something you've never heard of in the industrial flooring world. We don't waste time. We do it instantly. Yeah.
That's a very unique offering from Ecotile, and that's why I can see a lot of crowd swelling here to see your products.
Oh yeah,
They're
we had to
excited see
really
it.
pull out the crowd to record this interview right now.
Yes. Great, Tushar. Wish you all the best for your show.
Thanks so much.
Thank you for inviting us here. Thanks
Thank
a
you so
lot.
much. Nice to see you.